It's Sonia Tales. I'm back with another video, and I hope that you have enjoyed the previous videos. If you have not watched them, please watch my previous videos. They are informative and they can help you. So today I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you another village hack which most of us are so interested in. Before I tell you what I am going to do, can you first appreciate my hair? Look at my hair. So this is my hair. I like doing it like this. This is the afro that I am having. This is the afro that I am having at the moment. I have a very funny relationship with my hair. That one I am going to share after time imesonga songa. So for today, I am going to show you how to bake a cake using a Jiko. There are some people who use ile mawe tatu, but I prefer using a Jiko because it's there and it's more convenient. So I'm going to share that video. I hope you're going to enjoy it. I hope that you're going to share with your friends. Actually, the reason I am doing this is because yesterday was my sister's birthday. I'm going to make the cake today. Guys, I'm here. This is our kitchen. We are going to mix our ingredients. I have the ajab flour. I have chocolate. We're going to make a chocolate cake. 2 bananas that I struggled so much not to eat. I managed to save 1.5. 3 eggs, blue band, baking powder, sugar, milk, some containers that I'm going to mix up the ingredients and stuff, and also a small sufuria and a whisk. Not forgetting this. This is my motivation. It is what is going to keep me going through this process. This mukimo. Yeah, so let us do this together. We are going to start with measuring our flour. You measure 2 glasses depending on the size of your cake. So 1. Baking powder. So mix the ingredients together. Guys, I have first to prepare my bananas, so I'm going to do this. Next, I'm going to take my other container and add sugar. Remember, we added 2 glasses of flour, so we are going to need some good amount of sugar. If, like me, you love sweet cakes. I added 2 spoons of Blue Band into the sugar. Make sure you save some amount of Blue Band to apply on the sufuria when you bake your cake. So now what we are going to do is mix up these 2. Take this and empty it in our mixing sufuria. I am sorry, there was a lot of reflection from the light coming through the window. I noticed it when it was quite late. So basically what happened here, I mixed my blue band with sugar and formed a paste. After that, I added the flour, which was already mixed with baking powder. I mixed them to ensure that the ingredients were mixed properly. After that, I added the eggs, as you have seen, and then I added my banana paste, the bananas that I had already mashed. I added them into the mixture, and this is how it looks, and I continued stirring to achieve a thick paste. At this point, we can now start adding our milk in small measures, ensuring that our mixture does not become too light. Ensure that it is viscous enough so that it can bake properly. Also, you will notice that our mixture is not entirely smooth because of the bananas that we added. We did not have any way of making it more smoother than it was, so this explains the lumps that you can see in our mixture. If you want to add chocolate, separate a small amount of the mixture in a bowl where you're going to add your container. If you have no intentions of adding chocolate, then you can skip this step. Take the sufuria which we are going to use for baking, and we apply blue band on the sides and also at the bottom so that our cake will not burn. Again, sprinkle some very little amount of flour to ensure that it won't burn. Add your mixture into your baking sufuria. You can include different patterns for the mixture with chocolate and the mixture without chocolate. If you are more creative, you can find out a better interesting pattern, because I didn't have any pattern whatsoever. I just mixed them. Guys, let's make an oven. You take your jiko, you empty almost all the coal, unaiweka mahali, you leave it almost empty. Then you take a bigger sufuria than your baking pot and place some small stones inside. Then you place your baking pot inside that sufuria, and also you place the sufuria on the jiko. You cover it with a lid. Then take the charcoal that we emptied from our jiko and place it on top of that lid. Make sure the lid covers the baking pot properly and no air is going to escape, because that is what is going to help with the baking process. We'll be back after 1 hour. This is why we went through all that. This is our final cake. You can see how it turned out. You can see our layers of chocolate. Of course, we have done a bit of tasting here and there before we remembered that we were shooting this. People had already done their tasting, so this is how it turned out. It is amazing and it is very sweet. Thank you guys so much for keeping me company in this. I hope we are going to come back with another interesting video, and also keep watching my previous videos, keep sharing, keep trying them out, and I love you so much, guys. Remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye. 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 Bye.